Hey everybody. All right, so the airplane is, it's essentially done, with the exception of just a little bit of detail for the motor and attaching the canopy. I have it in place with just a weight of a magnet holding it down, but that's the position it would be in right there. It's going to get the framing painted onto it, like I do with, like most people do with their canopies. We're modeling the airplane with the canopy closed, the pilot in place. It will be hung as if in flight. It is just a display model. This is not a flyer. I only build for display. I built flyers, and I just got tired of spending all that money on them and time and effort putting them up and together, and then just having them last about a month maybe. So anyway, I have the fairing in place. The wing root fairings are done. You can see they've got a pretty decent shot. I don't know if the camera's picking up the shape, the radius in there, but anyway, that's done. Landing gear's been fitted. I cleaned up the connection points with filler. That's actually sticking. Let's just leave that off. There you go. So the all the connection points for the wheel pants to the fairing and wheel pants to the underwing surface, those have been infilled with filler and sanded smooth. I've got to probably apply do one more application of the spackle to the wheel pants and sand that off, and just to take care of all the wood grain. And we'll put 2 coats then of the sand and seal overall, and that means overall of the entire airframe. That'll go on. Now the cowling is not permanently attached here. I just stuck it on there to get a sense of how the airplane looks. I'm about to run out of battery, so I'm going to stop here, but I'll be back later. Thanks for viewing.